Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today we are going to see the standard receipt and miscellaneous receipt in the account receivable. First of all, what is standard receipt? It's nothing but a payment that you receive from your customer for the goods or service which you have rendered or supplied to the customer. It is also known as cash receipt. We will see how to create a standard receipt in the instance, and we will also cover the miscellaneous receipt. What is miscellaneous receipt? It is the revenue which you earned from other than ordinary course of business, like from investment, interest, refund, stock sales, and other non-standard items. So this is nothing which you earn or receive in the ordinary business. It is other than that. Fine. So this is miscellaneous receipt. For miscellaneous receipt creation, you need to follow steps like first you need to create a receivable activity in the instance, and second we will see how to create a miscellaneous receipt. So we will move to the instance and see both the receipts, standard and miscellaneous, how they are created in the instance. So moving to the instance. Now for creating a standard receipt, go to navigator and go to receivables, and under receivables go to account receivable. Now from task list, go to create receipt. You can see that receipt type is standard is coming. Fine. You need to give receipt method. Give receipt number. I'm giving 4554. Enter the amount. Like I'm entering 1000. Fine. Give the customer. Give the customer site. Then submit and apply manually. Now what we will do is we will map the transaction against which we are booking this receipt. So I have already one transaction created in my instance. So I'm linking or mapping that here. I'm going to add application. You can go to add application and can directly give the transaction number. This is my transaction against which I'm booking this receipt. So we have mapped the transaction here, and after mapping that, just save and close. Fine. So this is how standard receipt is created in the instance. Now for creating a miscellaneous receipt, first we need to create a receivable activity. So in the task list, search for the receivable activity task. Manage receivable activity. Manage receivable activity, go to task. Give your business unit. Search. Now for creating, just click on this add icon. Give name, like I'm giving here miscellaneous. Revenue. Description is not mandatory. GL account source is activity GL account only. Activity type I'm giving miscellaneous cash. For remembering, I'm adding here term BBC also so that we can find our miscellaneous receivable activity easily. Text code none. And linking the miscellaneous account. Contain miscellaneous. Revenue miscellaneous. I am giving here revenue miscellaneous. Okay. So this is how you can create a receivable activity. Just save and close. Now for creating a receipt, go to Navigator, the receivable, go to account receivable, from task list, go to create receipt, and receipt type give miscellaneous. You will see that fields will change accordingly. Give a receipt method, number, I'm giving 2244. Give receivable activity which we have created. It is coming miscellaneous revenue BBC. Enter amount like I'm entering one small amount of like $20. And here you can give the reference of the customer you want. Rest other things which are mandatory is filled and give. Just go to save and close and save it. And this is how you can create a miscellaneous receipt. So we have seen how to create a standard receipt as well as a miscellaneous receipt in the instance. So this was all about the topic. Thank you.